So you suck at affiliate marketing. Let me be the first to tell you it's not your fault. In this video, you're going to learn why 99% of people fail at affiliate marketing and what almost everybody does wrong. Now, if this is you, I can teach you how to correct these mistakes. And if you're a beginner, I can help you avoid all these little pitfalls that you're going to run into. So make sure you watch to the end of this video, because if you do, you're going to be much more successful at affiliate marketing. Let's go. So one of the biggest mistakes I see from beginners is that they concentrate on the money. If you focus on the money and all you care about is making a sale, you're not going to make any sales. You're not going to make any money. I know that seems counterproductive and counterintuitive, but if you think about it, what you're really there to do when you're promoting other people's products is that you're helping the customer reach a buying decision. Have you ever walked into a store where one of the clerks at the store runs right up to your face and asks you, "What are you looking for today? Can I help you? We have a sale in aisle 6. We have this, we have that, buy, 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 buy." How do you feel when somebody does that? That's essentially what you're doing when you're being extremely salesy in affiliate marketing. When you're constantly going around telling everybody how they can make $100 a day, how they can buy this and they can buy that. You're being very salesy, and people can smell it from a mile away, and you're repelling people away from you. That is not your job as an affiliate. Your job as an affiliate is to create content that your particular audience finds very useful, helpful, and they really enjoy it. And by doing so, you get them to know, like, and trust you. And whatever you go ahead and you recommend, that's what they're going to go ahead and buy because they trust you. They know that you have their best interest at heart. See, people are very protective with their wallets. They're very protective with what they spend money on. They're not just going to go out and buy any old thing just because you say so. But if you actually prove that you know what you're talking about and that you can help them reach the goal that they're trying to reach, then they are much more likely to pull out their credit card and spend money with you. Say you're in the fitness niche and you're putting out daily or even weekly tips and tricks on how to eat better, how to do better exercise. The more that people consume your content, the more that people are following you and watching you, the more they get to know, like, and trust you. And therefore, when you turn around and make a recommendation on what they should purchase, they will probably go out and purchase that product because you've never led them astray before. So it's very important to have genuine care for your audience. That's what most affiliates don't do. They concentrate on making money and they really don't care about people. At the end of the day, if you want to make money, it has to come from a human being. So you have to actually care about people. And if you don't care about people, then this is not the right business for you. Another reason that I see people fail all the time is that they follow 100 different gurus. They're subscribed to every YouTube channel imaginable, hopefully mine, and they take advice from several different experts and gurus and professional affiliates and try to implement every single thing that they learn at the same time. The problem with this is these different strategies usually don't mix. There's a reason that person A does what they do, and there's a reason that person B does what they do. It don't really crisscross together. You can't take different methods from different people and try to blend everything together and do your own thing. For this very reason, that's why it's very important to find one mentor, one coach, one A to Z platform where you can learn everything that you need to learn. Find a specific system that you run exactly to the T and not be mixing and matching and dabbling in 500 different things at the same time. And that leads me into this next reason. It's called shiny object syndrome. Every single beginner can relate to this story, and it is a killer. It will destroy your momentum and you'll be getting nowhere fast. See, what ends up happening is people start doing one method for a little while, they don't get any results from it, and then they jump onto the next method because another guru comes around and says it's easier, it's faster, it's better, they have a better program, they have better software, they have you get leads in 5 seconds, they'll help you make $100 this week. And because they've enticed you to jump onto their program, now you've killed all the momentum that you had working your other system, your other strategy. Now it's totally gone, and shiny object syndrome has killed your business. That's why it's very important to stay committed to one system, to one strategy, and continue to work it every single day, knowing that all that work is going to add up eventually. You need to stay consistent with what you're doing. It doesn't matter what it is. I don't care if you're doing all your promotions on Instagram, stay on Instagram, master Instagram, do Instagram every single day, and don't deviate from that. Don't buy programs, don't buy software, just stay doing Instagram promotional traffic. There is an exponential growth curve in affiliate marketing. It seems like you're not doing anything for a very long time, and then bam, all of a sudden you hit a slope and you skyrocket. 1 month, all of a sudden you make $50,000. after you've been trying to do this for 6 months to a year, it just comes out of nowhere. But it's because you've been working so hard and you have all this content and all this positive energy built up over a long period of time. And that's what a lot of the gurus won't tell you. They keep promising you that you'll make $5 million in the next 30 days. 99% of people are not going to ever reach that goal, because especially if you're a beginner, you don't know exactly what it is that you're doing. You don't know how to write copy. You don't know how to build sales funnels. You don't know how to put out content. You're learning while you're doing. So be patient with yourself and do it step by step. Another reason I see people fail all the time is that they don't really believe that they could be successful doing this. They don't really see themselves outside of where they are right now. They have the "I'll believe it when I see it" mentality. The problem with that is, with affiliate marketing, since it does take time to build up any type of success, you have to see it before you believe it. It has to actually be the opposite. You have to have a vision and understand where your life is going, where your business is going. Where do you see yourself in the next 6 months to a year? You have to continue to strive towards that goal every single day and understand that you will succeed. You just have to put the work in now in order to reap the benefits tomorrow. But you're never going to get there if you continue to keep doubting yourself and keep thinking, this is all a scam. I don't know what I'm doing. Those gurus out there flying those private jets, that could never be me. If you don't believe in yourself, you're done from the beginning. A lot of times people's situation in life, or what they've done in the past, who they were in the past, the mistakes that they've made, you have to understand that the past is the past and it's there for you to learn from, but it's not who you are today. You can choose to be better. You can choose to succeed. You can choose to apply yourself and become a much better person by the end of this. Affiliate marketing is not just about making money. It's not just about building a business. It's also about bettering yourself as a human being overall. By the end of this journey, you'll feel like a much better person because you're actually serving people. Another big mistake that I see a lot of beginners make is that they think marketing is just all about being salesy. But if you actually take the time to work on yourself, to learn the craft of marketing, to read as many books as possible, to follow just the right kind of people who will take you to the right place, you will learn that marketing is really just all about people. It's about understanding people. It's about talking to people, listening to their problems, coming up with solutions to those problems. By learning marketing will actually make you a better person, because you have to learn skills that you were not necessarily good at before. You have to step outside of yourself. I consider myself an introvert. I'm very much like a loner. I like to keep to myself. But in marketing, it was forcing me to get out there and talk to people and be more of a conversationalist, if you will. So now I can pretty much control a room. Now I have my confidence built up. Now I know how to carry myself. But that came from affiliate marketing. That came from understanding that it's very important to talk to people, to get to know people, to understand what products that will fulfill their goals, what to recommend, and how to create content that will help them in the long run. Comment down below if you've had any problems in affiliate marketing that I didn't cover here, and I will respond and send you in the right direction. So the comment section is where you need to be right now if you have any questions. Now, as far as finding a mentor, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below to a free web class from the mentor that I ultimately found that led me in the right direction and set me on a path to success in affiliate marketing. If you like what you saw and you got value from this video, make sure you smash that like button. So I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, if you need more information on how to get started in affiliate marketing, if you haven't gotten started yet, I'll have a video right here where I give you the A, B, C, D, all about affiliate marketing from beginning to end. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.